everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you these Peeps inspired sugar cookies. They're super easy to make and they look really amazing. So I whipped up my favorite batch of cookie dough. I divided it in 4 and I colored each fourth in yellow, pink, purple, and teal. When mixing the color in, it's important to do it at low speed and for the least amount of time. Otherwise, the dough can be overworked and the cookies will turn out hard. Now that all my colors are ready, I wrapped each one in plastic wrap and I refrigerated that for at least an hour. If you have more time, it's better, but at least an hour will do. Now it's time to roll out the dough. I like to do it in between parchment paper and I use a couple of dowel rods on each side to make sure I roll out my dough to even thickness. Now I'm going to start cutting out the shapes. I'm using this template and I have a video coming up where I show you how I make my custom made templates when I don't have a cookie cutter. If you want to use this same shape, I have left the file link in the description box below. I'm going to freeze these shapes for 5 minutes and then I'll be able to start cutting around the template. I'm using a sharp paring knife and I move as fast as I can because I need to keep the dough chilled. That way the template will detach easily. But in case the template sticks to the dough, just freeze it again for a couple of minutes and you'll be able to take it off without a problem. You can re-roll this leftover dough in each color and cut out more shapes. I have a video coming up where I show you what I decided to do with it. Chill these cut out cookies and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Once the oven comes to temperature, bake for 9 to 11 minutes. Keep a close eye on them so they don't brown up. And once they come out of the oven, let them rest in the baking sheet for a few minutes and then transfer to a cooling rack to cool completely. To add their tails, I'm going to add a little bit of melted white chocolate and some white sprinkles. Let it dry for a couple of minutes and then shake off the excess sprinkles and these will be ready. And this is what they look like when they're all finished. Aren't these super cute? Let me know what you think in the comments below. I have a few videos coming up with more Easter cookie ideas, so stay tuned for that. As always, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!